Fit fam, what's good? Mick here with another video. In today's video, I am doing a self cut. I mentioned in one of my vlogs, I think it was the Busch Gardens water park vlog, that I was gonna do a self cut. Y'all pray that I don't mess up this cut. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, let's go ahead and comb this hair so we can lift your hair off the scalp. So I'm gonna cut my hair down to a 1.5, or basically using a 1 guard open. Let's go ahead and start.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to.
I forgot to mention that I'm gonna be giving myself probably like a mid to high taper. I chopped it down to the length I want. And yeah, let's go ahead and start fading this thing up.
Let it go. You got to let it go. I'm ready to let 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 go. You got to let it go.
Time to line this thing up, put the finishing touches on it. Whatever flaws I see, I can try to clean up a little bit. Alright, Fit Fam, so that was the cut. Hope y'all liked it. I rushed it a little bit, but it's alright. I think it's pretty good for a self-cut. In the comments below, let me know if y'all cut y'all's own hair, or if y'all go to a barber weekly or bi-weekly. Remember, you only got one life, stay home, be great. Love yourself so you can love somebody.